Hello everyone, my name is Lane. I am a musician and a teacher by heart. I love teaching as much as I love music. They are my passion. I've been teaching since I was in college and have handled kindergarten to high school students. In 2006, I started working in an international call center and been in the English speaking industry for 6 years. I've undergone extensive English proficiency training in those international companies and also had comprehensive teachers training in one of the largest online English institution where I became a certified online English teacher. I've been teaching English for 6 years now, both online and offline to foreign nationalities such as Koreans, Chinese, Taiwanese, and Japanese. I've handled beginners to advanced students, as well as professionals, like business people, engineers, doctors, teachers, and a lot more. So if you want to experience an easy, fun, and dynamic way of learning English, I am inviting you to join me in my classes here at E4E. I'll see you soon.